Hi guys, I'm back, and this time I want to show you a quick way to fix a granny square that's a little bit sad and pathetic like this guy. Okay, so you would simply block. It's an easy process. All you're going to do, and there's many ways to do it, I'm going to show you one of those ways today. You're going to get your handy dandy bamboo board, and these can be found rather cheaply online, okay, or in your local craft store. Okay, and you're going to give it a gentle little spray with a little mist bottle. These are also can be found at any of the major retailers online. Give it a gentle spray, okay? And that water will kind of soak in. You don't need to make it too wet now, just enough to make it malleable so that when it dries, it'll keep everything in place the way you want it to be, okay? Then you're just going to take your little rods that come with your set, and you're just going to start putting it in like so on each corner. Okay, here's another one we need to do. Okay, and then you put this guy here. For good measure, if you want, you could add a couple here, but you really don't need to. And then what you would do is you would just let it sit for about 24 hours or so until it gets dry. Again, it's not going to be too wet, so it'll be just perfect. You leave it set. If you have multiple squares that you need to kind of straighten out and get them ready for your project, then you're going to stack them, okay? But you need to leave a little bit of space so that the air can get through, okay? So you only want to fit maybe 6 on this tiny little board like this. But they do make them much, much bigger. So you can get a larger one. It'll just cost a little bit more. But basically, that's it. It's that simple. 24 hours and you're good to go. From my heart to your hooks, happy crocheting.